I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is MB Frontend Submission. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select an action n8n. Give here an outgoing webhook URL, so go to your n8n dashboard. Start from scratch. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Add the first step. Choose on webhook call. Copy the URL and click on Listen for the test event. Now go to your Bit integration site and paste the URL. Choose the method as a GET. Add the parameter to fetch the data. Here are the advanced features of conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Next. Finish and save it. Go to the n8n site, and here you can see that the URL executed successfully. Back to Canvas. Please run the webhook again to fetch the data. Now go to your form and fill it up. Form submitted successfully. Now go back to your n8n dashboard. Node executed successfully. Click on the plus icon and add an action. You can choose your desired action. I am choosing MailerLite. Create a subscriber. To map fields, drag and drop them into their appropriate locations. Test step. Node executed successfully. Please go back to the canvas and save the workflow. Once you have saved it, you can activate it. Test workflow. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to MailerLite dashboard. Click on Subscribers. You can see subscriber created successfully in MailerLite. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.